Welcome to Fonts Learn. In this video, I'll show you how to fetch data from DataDate in SQL database using C# Windows Forms application. After you finish creating a new Windows Forms project, you need to open your Form Designer and then drag the button, Datetime Picker, Label and Data Grid View controls from the Visual Studio toolbox into your Form Designer. In this tutorial, I will use the Northwind database to play my demo, if you don't have the Northwind database in your SQL server yet. You can watch the video I uploaded on how to download and install the Northwind database into SQL server. You can design a simple user interface that allows you to filter data from a date range, then display the data into the data grid view. After you finish designing the form, you need to open the app.config file, and then add a connection string to the app.config file. You can easily change the connection string without modifying your source code. And don't forget to add the system configuration library to your project. This library helps you to read your connection string from the app.config file. You should use try-catch to catch errors if something goes wrong, then write your code in this try-catch block. You need to use the SQL connection class to make a connection to your database, and don't forget to check your SQL connection status. If the connection is closed, you need to open it. The SQL connection is opened and set as the connection for the SQL command. You should create a new data table to help you store the data returned from the SQL query. Next, use the SQL command class to execute your SQL query. You can easily add query parameters to SQL command using the add with value method. It represents a transact SQL statement or stored procedure to execute against a SQL Server database. Finally, use the SQL Data Adapter class to read the data and fill in your data table object, and then bind it to your data grid view. The SQL Data Adapter serves as a bridge between a dataset and SQL Server for retrieving and saving data. The SQL Data Adapter provides this bridge by mapping fill, which changes the data in the dataset to match the data in the data source, and update, which changes the data in the data source to match the data in the dataset, using the appropriate transact SQL statements against the data source. You can write a simple query that combines the orders and customers table, and then filter the order data by order date. After successfully executing the query, you need to copy the query into your code. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.